Hey guys, what's up? Keith Rainville here, the lead guy. I'm about to show you something that will change the way that you do business forever, my friends. So listen, what I do is I provide email lists for some of the biggest digital marketers on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Okay. So what we do is we use these lists to either cold email marketing, and most of my clients use these lists to create lookalike audiences on Facebook. So I'm going to show you quickly the ability to get targeted lists of your best customers for anything. Basically, anybody who offers a product or service can use exactly what I'm showing you to grow your business. Okay, it's phenomenal. It basically gives you the ability to have unlimited leads, right? So what I'm going to do here is, again, as I mentioned, a lot of my customers that I deal with own digital marketing companies. So they target specific niches so they can learn about a specific niche like a gym or a doctor or a lawyer. So as they learn what are the challenges of those businesses, they can learn from those experiences and educate their new customers as they bring them on board. So I always tell them it's great to target one specific area. So for this demonstration, what I'm going to do is I'm going to target gyms because digital marketing companies love to target gyms because of the opportunity that they can get. So in the search bar here, I'm going to show you how we're going to build a massive email list of gyms. Okay. So I just typed in gyms in the search bar. So now I'm going to go down to the different filters. So I can actually filter this to exactly what I want. I can filter it by zip code. I can filter it by geography. Anywhere in the world, I can actually build an email list with contact information, pertinent contact information, and valid contact information. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the United States right here, but I'm going to even just fine tune this. I'm just going to do a state. Let's say we do New York. Okay. So we'll do New York State. Okay. In the United States, and let's just click off the United States and let's just target New York. So now 17,000 gym personnel in New York State. And what we're going to do is I want to actually target decision makers. So I want to look these folks up by title because I don't want to market my digital services to the janitor. That's not going to make sense. Nothing against janitors, but you got to target to the decision makers who are more apt to make the decision of buying your particular product. Now, if I was selling to janitor, I was selling cleaning products, well, maybe I might want to market to a janitor inside a gym. So guys, what we're going to do here is we're going to choose the title down here. And I'm going to put in owner. Okay. Now I can put in president or principal, and I can pull up more, but just for the sake of demonstration, we're going to put in owner. And we can actually, we can put in Gold's Gyms. We can do target by particular big companies. We can just do small companies by doing company headcount here. We can go in and choose the size of the gym that we want to market to. Okay. So what we're going to do is we are going to look at that. We have 1,000 gym owners here, and those are my ideal customer. If I were a digital marketing agency, that would be my ideal customer. So let's go to our scraping tool, and we're going to grab all the information on these pages. Okay. And I'm going to put in the plus sign here, and I'm going to go gym owners in New York, right? So I identify this list, and I very simply go find the emails. Now it says the start page and the end page here. Okay. So I'm just going to type in, 50, and I'm going to put in, this information. This is explained inside my course, but just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to go find and save emails. So you're going to see that this system is actually working right now, and it's finding and pulling all the data from these pages so I can market to these people, and so they can have the opportunity to look at and purchase my services on my digital marketing services on a monthly basis. Okay, so this is extremely valuable. People are getting $15,000 to even $4,000 or $5,000 a month from gym owners or any other business owner for that matter. They're doing their digital marketing for them. Okay, so guys, so there's about let me see, there's about 51 pages. I'm glad I put in 50 so I can get a bunch of the data here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this scrape, and it's going to take roughly about 30 minutes or so. And I'm going to pull all the data. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what that data looks like. Okay, so we're going to let this work, and as you can see, it is working. It is scraping the pages. I can pause it or stop it, but I'm going to let this run, and we're going to show you what this list looked like in just a moment. Okay, guys, so we're right now, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the list that we're building, and I'm not going to let this finish. I won't waste your time with all this. We're going to go to the list here, and as you see, it's updating. So the gym owners in New York, we're going to go over to here, and I'm going to show you how it looks, okay? So we're going to hit download, and I'm going to choose the verified emails. And I can select to choose all the information that I want here, but I'm going to download that to an Excel spreadsheet. I can do it to a CSV or a Google Sheet, but I'm going to export that now. So this way you can get an idea of how the emails come. They're already validated for you, has the first and last name of the customer and other fields that are going to be important to you, like maybe the company name or the LinkedIn profile or the company website or things like that. But this way you get an idea of what you're getting when you do this. And really, folks, mostly what people use for lookalike audiences is the names, the email address, the company name, and maybe a LinkedIn profile if they want to as well, okay? So now let's pull up that sheet. All right, and I'm going to hit enable editing. So now this way you can see the different information, okay? So now we're going to just show you, you've got the customer's full name at the top. You got their first and last name, their job title, and actually you can go in and choose, again, any job title you like. These are owners that we've selected, business owners, and entrepreneurs, and so on and so forth. But you have all this information, guys, that you can build these massive lists. Look at all this data here that you can get for these particular customers. Okay, guys? So you see how important this information is, and how you can just feed your offers unlimited traffic, my friends. So listen, take a look at my course. It's $95 that will change the way you do business forever. I also show you in there how to get information from any website using these tools. Okay, guys? Hey, listen, Keith Rainville here, my friends, the lead guy. I hope to see you inside the course. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to hit me up, okay? Thanks for watching.